Winter is definitely here because it's really cold outside, so I just picked up this new fleece vest for my dog that just arrived in the mail. I picked this vest because it was really affordable, it had really fast shipping times, and according to the measurements, it should fit my dog really well. But let's test that out right now. Also for reference, this is the small size and my dog is a miniature schnoodle, so in the mini category. Okay, so far that looks pretty promising. Like this is probably gonna fit her. You ready to try on some new clothes, Doggo? It fits my dog pretty well, right? And we're gonna go see if it'll hold up well in the winter cold. But it looks like she's pretty ready for going outside now. We just came back from our walk and it looks like the vest worked pretty well. My pup is still nice and warm, and the buckles at the back here were a nice touch because I was able to use them to secure the leash on her back so that there wasn't any pull on her neck when I was walking her. So yeah, if you're looking for an affordable, comfy vest for your pup to keep them warm in this winter time, then pick up this one because it's a pretty good one to get.